I am Hindu. We are going to learn numbers. Numbers, we use the palm open but then looking towards you. 1, you get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see how it is curved? 6, 6, 7. You can see the bend of 7. 8. How do we fold 8? Just like how I have done it. That's number 8. 9. Like how we made 6, so you invert it. Number 9. 10. 10. In summary, how do we do numbers? Remember, we are using the palm facing towards the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Please continue practicing and it will be smooth for you. And do not forget to like and subscribe on our channels below.